Hi there, welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. I'm Terry, and let's make some barbecue sauce. I love a nice smoky, sweet barbecue sauce, and this Copycat of Sweet Baby Ray's is exactly that. With just a handful of ingredients and about 15 minutes, you're going to have your own copy of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. To start off, in a medium-sized saucepan, place 1.5 cups of ketchup, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1/4 cup of plain water, and 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Canned, fresh, doesn't matter. Spices, we have 2.5 teaspoons of ground mustard, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and a pinch of cayenne. Last thing, you need 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Stir together all those ingredients in a medium pot over medium heat, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes until the sugar is well dissolved. After the 5 minutes, if you decide you want a thicker sauce, add a slurry of 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water. Then simmer for up to 15 minutes until the desired thickness is reached. Keep in mind that it may thicken slightly more as it cools. Now you can use it immediately, or you can store it in the refrigerator. I like to store mine in old ketchup bottles, either plastic or glass. You can store your sauce in the refrigerator for up to a month, or if you want, you can actually freeze it. When ready to use, just thaw it in the fridge and use as much as needed. I hope you give this recipe a try and like it as much as I do. Of course, the recipe is down below in the comments, along with a link that you can click so that you can print it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a like and subscribe if you want to make sure that you don't miss the next great recipe. See you next week.